everyone, welcome to the live session. Join the channel. So today we will start the lesson, and today we are going to learn French verb conjugation. So today we are going to learn all verbs conjugations. In French there are three groups of verbs. So first we have three groups. First group, Fahmiye group, which ends with er. Okay. For example, pahle, manger. Okay. Deuxième group, which ends with ir. And the first group and second groups are regular group verbs. The conjugation pattern is same for them. So second group is ir. And today we are going to learn how to conjugate first group, second group and third group verbs. So third group verbs are irregular verbs. Okay. So troisième group is irregular verbs. For example, for second group examples, fini, which means to finish. Okay, to finish. Choisir, to choose. And for troisième group, so these third groups are troisième groups are irregular verbs and the conjugation pattern is not same. So we have to learn always the conjugation. And in third group, être, avoir. Être means to be. Okay, to be. Avoir. These are the auxiliary verbs. Avoir means to have. And very important verbs in French, être and avoir. Être means to be and avoir means to have. Aller. Okay, aller means to go. Okay, so we learn first group verb, how to conjugate in French. Let's see one example. Pahle, which means to speak. And how to conjugate? So today we are going to learn in present only. Okay, how to conjugate in present, not in all times. So first what we will do, we will write the pronom sujet, je, tu, il. Okay, so first we will write the pronom sujet, je, tu, il, elle. Okay, and so these are the on. These are the singular pronouns. Okay, singular. So what we will do first? We will remove the pahle, remove the er. Okay, and we will write all the stem. So how to write? P-A-R-L, tu, P-A-R-L, il. So we will write first all the stem article. We will say article in French. And here plural subject pronouns, which nous, 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 nous means we. Okay, nous means we. Vous, vous means you, which we use for formal case and for plural cases. And nous, vous, elle. j, fini, is, tu, fini, is, il, fini, it, l, fini, it, on, fini. Okay? For with j, avec j, es, avec tu, es, avec il, ite, avec elle, ite, on, ite. So these are the second group verbs endings. If you remember one time all the technism, all the endings, then we will conjugate all the second group verbs. And remember, all the verbs that have endings with ir not always comes in second group. Sometimes they are irregular verbs. So we need to practice second group verbs. What is second group? So mainly it's 50 plus. So you have to remember fini, sozi, gondi, and blanchi. Okay, these are the second group verbs. Hey, you see. Okay. So nous, avec nous, these are nous. Nous means we. Okay. And nous, avec nous, what ending we will do? Nous finissons. Okay. ISSONS. The ending is isson. Et vous, issez. ISSEZ. Okay. Ils sont. And elle aussi, ils sont. So that I already told that nous, we, these are nous means we, vous means you, and here tu means you also, but this tu we use for informal case, and this is for formal case and for plural cases also. And il means they. So you have to remember, this is for il for masculine plural and l for feminine plural. L means also they for feminine plural. Il for group of girls, L for group of boys. So let's repeat one more time with répétez après moi. Je finis. Okay? We don't pronounce is. Je finis. We don't pronounce. We pronounce je finis. Okay? Last letter word sound we don't pronounce. Je finis. Okay? Tu finis. Je finis means I am finishing or I finish. Tu finis, which means you finish or you are finishing. Il finit. Okay, here T, but we don't pronounce. We pronounce il finit only. So the pronunciation is same. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, on finit. Okay, and for il, elle, on, the same endings are there. And for je and tu, also. Next, nous finissons, which means we are finishing or we finish. Nous finissons le dîner. We are finishing the dinner. You can say like that. Vous finissez le devoir. Vous finissez les devoirs. We are finishing the homework. So vous finissez, il finish. What we will pronounce? Il finish. We never pronounce il finissant. So lots of people do mistake because of isson, but we pronounce il finish, elle finish. Okay, we don't pronounce il finissant, elle finissant. We pronounce always il finish and elle finish. Okay, so these are the second group verbs endings, and if you remember one time all the endings of second group, you can conjugate all the second group verbs, because second group verbs are regular verbs. Now we are going to learn third group verb. Third group verbs are a little bit difficult. So can you say third group verb? Any third group verb you want to learn the conjugation of third group verb? So now we are going to learn third group verb. So we have already learned first group verb which have er endings. Next, second group verb they have IR endings, okay, and these are the regular groups. And next third group verb, it has RE ending, okay. So today we are going to learn eth verb, eth, third group verb. Eth. Eth means to be. So hello everyone, and if you learned something, say hi in the chat and subscribe the channel. Okay? Hi Lily. Okay? So eth means to be, and for third group verbs you have always learned the conjugation. You need to by heart learn the conjugation because it doesn't follow any pattern. Okay? So you always learn. So first what we will do? We will write all the subject pronouns. Ja, tu, il. Okay? Il. Can you tell what does mean? Il. He. Très bien. Bravo. Elle means she. Okay? Next. On. Okay? So these are the singular subject pronoun. Next we are writing plural subject pronoun. Plural subject pronoun. Nous, vous, and il, elle. Okay. So how to conjugate eth verb? So with je suis. Je suis, which means I am. Okay. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Elle same a on same a. Okay. So il, elle, and same conjugations. Next, nous, some. Nous some, which means we are. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Okay? So répétez après moi. Je suis, which means I am. Tu es, which means you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, we are. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. And elles sont, they are. Ils sont for masculine group of boys. Elles sont for family. Okay, group of girls. So je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay? Nous sommes, we are, you are, ils sont, they are, elles sont, they are. For example, je suis étudiant. I am a student. You can use like that. Or je suis whose. I am happy. Je suis fatigué. I am tired. Okay? Or tu es professor. You are professor. Tu es doctor. Tu es médecin. You are doctor. Okay? You can make your own sentence with être verb, and être verb is very important in French. So you have to learn by heart. This être and avoir verb is the pillar of French. Next we are going to learn aller from Thasian group. Aller verb, From Thursday group, ale. So we will learn fast. Ale. Ale means to have. Okay, to have. It is also very important verb in French. A-L-L-E-R. So what we will do? Je, tu, il, elle, on. Nous, vous, and il, they, elle. Okay. Then we will write the conjugation. J first. J, which means I have. Okay. So here there is j and two vowels. So we will do apostrophe and we will pronounce J. Okay. Next, tu a. Okay. Tu a means you have. Il a means he has. Elle a means she has. On a, we have. Nous avons, we have. Vous avez, you have. Ils ont. Okay, so we blend the sound. Ils ont, elles ont. This is called liaison. Okay, in French we call liaison. So J, which means I have. Tu as, which means you have. Il a, which means he has. Elle a, she has. On a, we have. Nous avons. Here we do liaison. We blend the sound. Nous avons. If there word is ending with consonant and other word is start with vowel, so we blend the sound. We do liaison. Nous avons. Vous avez. Ils ont. Elles ont. Okay, so that's all for today. So today we learned all the groups, all the verbs group, family group, deuxième group and troisième group. Hope you learned something from this session and enjoyed the class. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want more this type of video. Like, share and subscribe. Au revoir, à bientôt.